Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Fashionative. I'm Srishti and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make male block figure front view with all the measurements. So without wasting any more time, I think we should get started. So to make a male block figure, we have to take 12.5 inches straight line. Then divide this straight line into 10 equal parts. For headline, we have to go to the 0 point and take 4 blocks from each side horizontally. Now go to the first point and do the same as above. So this is our headline. Now from the first point go down 4 blocks and this is our shoulder point. Now take 9 blocks from each side. This is our shoulder line. Now at the center of the shoulder line, take 2 blocks from each side. Join these lines together and this is our neckline. Now for the chest line, we have to go down 2 blocks from the second point. Now take 8 blocks from each sides. So this is our chest line. Now for the waistline, we have to go down again 2 blocks from the third point. Then take 6 blocks from each side. So this is our waistline. For hip line, we have to go to the fourth point, take 8 blocks from each side. Now divide this 8 blocks into 2 equal parts, which gives 4 blocks like this. Now at the fourth point, go down 4 blocks for the crotch point. Now at the sixth point, go down 5 blocks. Now at this point, take 2 blocks from each side. This will be our knee line. Just join these lines together from the crotch point to the knee point. Now for knee line, we have to take 4 blocks, then divide these 4 blocks into 2 equal parts, which gives 2 blocks. Firstly, we have to take 4 blocks, then we have to divide these 4 blocks into 2 equal parts, which gives 2 blocks. Then join these lines together. Now for the calf line, we have to go down 5 blocks from the 7th point. And then we have to take 1 block from each side. Now we have to take 6 blocks from each side and divide these 6 blocks into 2 equal parts, which gives 3 blocks from each side, just like this. This is our center point, and here also I'm taking center point, which is 3 blocks from each side. Now what we have to do is to join these lines together to make a calf line. Now for the ankle line we have to go down 2 blocks from the 9th point and take 4 blocks from each side and divide these 4 blocks into 2 equal parts, which gives 2 blocks. Simply we have to take a center point of each side. Now join these lines together. Now for the feet line what we have to do is to join the ankle point to the 10th point. Firstly we have to take 4 blocks, then we have to take 2.5 blocks. So this break will be our center point. Again take 4 blocks, then take 2.5 blocks. Now simply join these lines together. Here also we have to join these lines together to form a block figure. For hand line we have to take 4.5 inches diagonal line, and for the wrist point we have to take 2 blocks. Now join these lines together. Now at the center of the wrist point go down 1 inch, divide this 1 inch line into 2 equal parts, which is 0.5 inches. Now center of this 1 inch we have to take 2.5 blocks from each side, and simply we have to just join these lines together, and here is our male block figure. So here I am just mentioning all the details and the measurements for your reference. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.